What's up? It's Hustle Line here. So today we about to build a 4-bay. It's going to a NBA player. He plays for the Washington Wizards. I believe he played for the Lakers and the Clippers also. But yeah, it's gonna be an interesting delivery. I'm not gonna say it's my first like high profile client, but it should be interesting. Anyway, so I wanted to ask y'all. I'm trying to put out a little more content on YouTube, but I don't want to just put out more kennel builds. I mean that would be cool, but I got a lot of other stuff that I feel like I can offer people. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do a video on the puppies and the dog side of it, which is just like whelping, exercise, feeding, skin, coat, bathing, all that type of stuff. Allergies. I got a lot of things I do to try to keep the allergies at a minimum. So anyway, just wondering if y'all would be interested in something like that. I'm probably gonna start that probably sometime next week. A little side story. The video before this, it'll probably have a little bit of information about what happened. But anyway, I was in South Carolina doing delivery earlier this week, and on my way back, I was just past Augusta, Georgia, about 45 minutes past Augusta, Georgia, and my differential locked up, my front differential. So this is why I always say you never know who you're gonna meet. You never know how valuable or how much of a blessing an individual will be for you. And in this particular situation, myself and my son were on the highway, 2 o'clock in the morning, front end locked up. And I mean, we were inches of feet away from going off a cliff, damn near. Like, no bullshit. So the recovery specialist, he came out, cool dude. He helped me. I mean, I'm not gonna say he helped me unconditionally or whatever, but like regardless of circumstances, he helped me out. And a lot of the transmission places around that either said they weren't gonna work on my vehicle, or they were saying it was gonna be 2 to 4 weeks. So the recovery specialist, he had a buddy or whatever, and dude fixed my truck up, had us rolling in about 6 hours or less. The recovery specialist took us out, out and about, sightseeing, just trying to, let time pass by. We went out to eat breakfast, all that. Like, it was just it turned a shitty experience into a humbling experience and a very appreciative experience, a blessing-filled experience. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want to say his name because I don't, some people don't really like their names being all around the world and all that. But I guess I could say his first name, Rod. But yeah, I just wanted to say I really appreciate everybody that helped out in that situation. So, but yeah, we about to get to it. Got a long day today. Had a 16-hour day today. I'm worn out. Got 2 stops in Georgia and 1 to finish up in South Carolina, and I gotta be back by Monday. So I'm worn out. As you can see, I'm about to take a break after this delivery. All my other ones are kind of close, so.
W Beats with another banger. Turn it up.